Welcome to the HES Google Classroom tutorial. We'll start out by going to classroom.google.com and signing in to the Google Classroom. Next, you will come to this screen. You'll see the plus sign on the top right. This will allow you to create or join a class. Let's go ahead and create a class. We'll call it English 5A, give it a section and a subject, and then your room number. Go ahead and click create. This will take a few seconds. Now it comes up to your classroom homepage under the Stream tab. Here you can type some information for your class. You can welcome your students. Under post, you'll be able to post it now or schedule it to be posted later or save it for the future. Let's go ahead and post it. Now we'll need to add students to your class. Click on the People tab. Click on the Invite Student button. Now here you can type in all of your student names or email addresses, separated by a comma, or you can copy and paste them all into here and click invite with a single button. If you don't know their email addresses yet, you could give them this code which will allow them to get in. Once the students have the logins, this can be done. You can find the class code over here as well. Next, let's look at classwork. Here you'll be able to create assignments, quizzes, questions, and other material. You also have access to the Drive, Google Drive, for your class. Each class has its own Google Drive that you'll be able to share items, where students can also send files to you. Under grades, you'll see the assignments and the grades for the students. Now you'll still have to go into PowerSchool and put in all the grades into there. Now the next step, if you want to do a video conference call or Google Hangout with the students, go to the Google Apps button on the top right, click Meet. It opens a new window and allows you to join or start a meeting. So let's create a meeting and let's call it lecture. We'll continue. We'll allow to use our camera and we'll click join now. Comes up, you can copy. You can just click to copy the link. That way you can share it to your students. If you tab back to your class, you can go to the stream and you can tell your students to please join your lecture. And then we'll paste the link. Now it's best to go back and you can delete the phone number. If all the students are able to get online, this would be good to do. Or they can call in, it's up to you. So we'll post it now. Now all students will be able to see this. All the students in my class, they will just be able to click on it and join the meeting. Let's tab back to the meeting. Now the meeting is able to record. This will only record you and what you say and what is on your screen. It will not record the video of the students or the audio of the students because of privacy reasons. We'll click on this 3 dots and you'll be able to click record meeting. You can click present now. We'll present a window. And we'll share it on our screen. So now the students would be able to see my screen, and I can talk to them and see them on the right side. So when you're finished, you can click stop sharing and you can hang up the call. If you want to mute your video or your audio, these are the buttons to do so. We'll go ahead and hang up. We'll go back to the home screen here. The next item is calendar. From here you'll be able to schedule the lectures. To do so, we'll click create, more options. We'll say daily lecture. Let's start it on Monday, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. You can tell it to repeat Monday through Friday so that you only have to do it once. And then go to add conferencing, Hangouts Meet, and it'll automatically create a Hangout video conferencing meeting for this event. And it will automatically invite all of your students once they're in your list. Let's click save, and now you'll see it on my calendar every day. And now the student will get notified ahead of time, and they'll be able to just click and join your meeting. If you need additional support, please contact your department coordinator or lead teacher. And if you need technical support, then please contact the technical support for your building by email. Thank you very much.